Hello people, this is Miguel speaking. I'm presenting my lesson 30 homework from Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi Pico W lessons. I'm going to push the battery inside the battery holder and oh no, the screen is upside down. It doesn't matter, I have this button that I can use to flip the screen up or down. This is my project. I'm using the Raspberry Pi Pico W to get the price from CoinMarketCap API to get the price of these four coins or items or tokens. I don't know what are they called. And I'm presenting the symbol of the coin or token, the percentage change, the percent of change during a period of time that I can change by pushing this button, and the price. And you can see that I can go from 1 hour through 90 days and then return back to 1 hour. I have this web page inside of the Raspberry Pi Pico. Oh, you saw that. That screen flashing is because I have every time an update is made, every 60 seconds an update is made from the Raspberry Pi Pico, getting hitting the API from CoinMarketCap and updating the data. So in order to make that a progress, like a progress or some progress was made, in order to show that to the user, I decided to flash the screen. Okay, this is the demonstration of the web server. I can select these 4 coins or items. I'm going to use the word item. I'm going to go with this. So I can change the item I'm consulting from this web configuration page. I'm going to call it like that. And if I select empty, it is going to take the last value was used. In this case was BNB. I made this look like columns. It was very annoying, but I was able to make it work. And that's the demonstration of the values changing. I respect the boundaries of the screen in order to not like chop the screen, the words. In this case, that is the price is going all to the right instead of aligning with the left of the price of the item. And in case there is enough room, I line it to the right. So yes, I'm proud of this. It was very annoying to make it work. What else? Okay, let's see the code. Let me do this. Okay, there we go. There is the code. I decided to use classes for this. I also, in order to be able to present this amount of data inside of this little screen, I had to use a custom font. There is a project that I on GitHub, the provider of this library, he mentioned it, and I use it from there. I don't remember the name now. If you want to know, you can make a comment on YouTube, and I'll provide information. And I'm using this font to present the data and a lot of imports in order to work properly with my project. I have a class in order to work with the screen, and because I changed the fonts, I have to use this writer that is provided by that project that I mentioned, that I don't remember the name. and through this writer class I can write the values that I want to show to the screen. I have this another class in order to handle the networking, and I have this method that I use to show this at the beginning when it tries to connect. Let me flip the screen quickly. You have seen these points are like a progress, so it is waiting for a period of time, and every time it's updating through this parameter that I call callback, that is a function that I send, and it is writing through the screen. Well, I have the socket here, nothing new there, and this is where I configure the project. These are the values for the change column, this one that is in the middle, and the parameters of these items. These are these two timers I'm using later, I will show, and this is the URL from CoinMarketCap that I used to get this information through the quotes latest endpoint. They have a lot of endpoints, so this could be really a big project because of that, but it will take a lot of time because just making this took me a lot of time to wrap my mind around what I wanted to do. I have this method that inverts the screen colors every 60 seconds to show the progress to the user, or to show that an update was made. This method starts the network. This other method read the value from the flip button, the yellow one, the flip screen up or down now, and the update change the change column value. This is a method to read that button. This method is the one that hits that pulled information from CoinMarketCap, and here is where I make all the work with the columns. I made a few calculations in order to be able to present the information in columns, pretty formatted columns, and in order to keep the titles inside of the boundaries of the screen. What else? This is the web page that I showed you before during the demonstration. And this is the little web server through the socket, and I read the values that come from interaction with the users through the browser. The timers. I decided to go with timers instead of using sleep. And this timer here is the one that I use to read the value for the yellow button every 50 milliseconds. I have this another timer, those timers that I showed that were inside the main class of the program or the project, and this the first one reads the value from the update change column button. This one it is not going to start until I have a response came from the server from CoinMarketCap, and it runs every 50 milliseconds. And then I have the other timer that is for the updating the prices from CoinMarketCap every 60 seconds. And I have another timer that is here inside the function that pulls the information. If the parameter invert color is true, it is going to invert the colors of the screen through this timer every 50. It is configured to run every 50 milliseconds, and the function invert screen colors is called. And then I have like this it is called, I have a counter that I use that is going to be flashing the screen until it reaches 0, and here is where I flip the screen value. Here I flip the screen colors, and then if the value of inverted screen counter is what is this? If the inverted screen counter is smaller than 10. Of course. I'm increasing the value of the screen counter, and while it is less than 10, I'm inverting the screen colors. And while it's greater than that value, they initialize the timer that I showed you before that calls this function. Well, that's pretty much it. If you have any comment or question, you can make it and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for watching.